Hurricane Sandy at our house. Our big tree that fell. Everything else seems to be pretty good. That tree stayed up. This big tree stayed up, thank God. But we're all together here in the water. Adam's gonna go cut the tree down. We got our generator going so Bruno can have his ice cream. But this used to be a forest. It's not anymore. It's just a bunch of splintered trees. I heard this fall yesterday. So there used to be a whole forest of trees over here, and it's all gone. But in our barn, it survived pretty well. We only have a couple of holes in the roof. So we're lucky for that. Nobody died. But all together, just wanted to say hi and show you that everything's good. There's Adam again. Going to get a chainsaw from our neighbor. So overall, all these big trees stayed up and didn't come on down on our house. But okay, well, that's it. Still raining. We expect some more wind. But other than that, all's well. Okay, bye.